Thanks for sending those over. Delicious. Okay, and the final snacks on stream today. You're getting 3 in one day, which is pretty rare, because normally at this point I'm dying because of the spice. Is our watermelon Vasi Rico. So giddy up, everybody. Here we go. Okay. Tastes like watermelon. That's not as good. Dang it. I was really hopeful for this watermelon. It's not strong enough. Fruit flavor needs to be stronger. Yikes. Yeah. Kind of tastes like the smell of a urinal puck. Yeah. Not good. I've had better. Matter of fact, just a few minutes ago. I mean, I could get through it if I needed to. But do I need to? Yeah. Tastes like the smell of some sort of like cleaner or cheap air freshener. It's almost there. If the watermelon was just stronger, it'd be fine probably. But it's pretty weak. And it, you know, then when you're adding this stuff that destroys the taste buds on your tongue, yeah. Yeah, no, that's terrible. Dang it, I wanted the watermelon to be good.